Hello class 6, I'm Ashok, your English teacher here with a new video for you. I hope all of you will be fine at home and following the guidelines of government to avoid the risk of coronavirus disease. Today I will discuss the second chapter of the book, A Fact with the Sun. Name of the chapter is The Friendly Mongoose. So let us start with the discussion about the title. The Friendly Mongoose. Friendly means who behave like a friend and does not harm. Mongoose means a small animal with a long body and bushy tail. So this story is about a mongoose who is friendly one. Now let us start the discussion of text. First of all, outlines are given there. A farmer, his wife, and their son, their small child lived in a village. There was also a baby mongoose in the house who they believed would be their son's companion and friend in future. One day, the farmer and his wife went out, leaving the child alone with the mongoose. Companion means friend who remain always with us. That is called companion. Now, story in detail. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. When our son grows up, he will need a companion. This pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. One evening, the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. So, difficult words are there in this part of the text which will be uh, unknown to you. Companion means friend. Pet means a tame animal. So now let us see what was there in this part of the text. This story is about a farmer and his wife who lived happily with their child in a village. One day, farmer suggested his wife when their son would grow, he would need a companion to play with. So they should have a pet. His wife liked this idea, and one evening the farmer brought with him a small mongoose and said to his wife that it was a baby mongoose and would grow soon to its full size and would become a good friend of their son. So this was there in this part of the text. Now let us see what is there in the next part. Both the baby and the mongoose grew. In 5 or 6 months the mongoose had grown to its full size, a lovely animal with two shining black eyes, and a bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in his little cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, "I'm off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose." "You need not to be afraid," said the farmer. "The mongoose is a friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby, and they are the best of friends. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields not far away. He ran into some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. So difficult words meaning in this part of the text are cradle means small low bed for a baby. Rocked means moved to and fro. Keep an eye means keep a watch or guard. Afraid means frightened. Ran into means met. Now let us see what was there in this part of the story. Both the baby and the mongoose grew together, and in 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown to its full size. What? The farmer's son was still a baby, sleeping and crying alternately. Alternately means doing one thing or the other. So he used to cry or sleep at a time. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market, so she fed the baby and rocked. Rocked means uh, moved to and fro. Means she, uh, with her movement, she made the baby to sleep in, and she put him in the cradle. Then she picked up the basket. She said to her husband that she was going to the bazaar, and she also added that he should keep an eye on the child. And she also says that didn't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. Then the farmer made her convince by saying that she should not need to be afraid because the mongoose was a friendly animal. It was as sweet as their own baby, and they are the best of friends. The wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his fields, which were not far away. He ran into means he met some friends on the way when he was coming back to home, and didn't return for quite some time. Means he stayed there with his friends for a long time, and baby was alone at home. This is the next part. Outline is again given there of this part. The farmer's wife returned home. Returned means come back home from the market carrying a heavy basket. She found the mongoose at the entrance of the house with blood on his face and paws. She jumped to the conclusion that it was her son's blood and the mongoose was the guilty one. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. Groceries means food items. She came, she saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her as was customary. Customary means as usual. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. Screamed means cried. Blood, she cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. Smeared means covered with blood. You begged. Begged means able. Animal, you have killed my baby, she screamed hysterically. Hysterically means madly or uncontrollably. She was blind with the rage. Rage means anger. And with all her strength, brought down the heavy basket full of groceries over the mongoose. So, the farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran to welcome her to the gate, as it was customary. He used to do so when she, means farmer's wife, came to home from somewhere. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed. When farmer's wife looked at the mongoose, she at once cried, "Blood!" The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. So there was blood on the face and paws of the mongoose. "You begged animal, you have killed my baby," she screamed hysterically. Hysterically means she cried madly. She was blind with rage. She was very angry and could not think anything else, and with all her strength brought down the heavy basket full of groceries over the blood smeared mongoose. So this was there in this part of the text. Now let us see the next part. On the blood smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child cradle. So she at once ran towards the child cradle to see whether her son was okay or not. The baby was fast asleep. So she found that the baby was sleeping there. What on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. Torn means cut into pieces, and it was bleeding also. In a flash means in a minute, she realized what had happened. That blood which was on face and paws of the mongoose was not of her baby but of a snake. She ran out looking for the mongoose. Now she came out to look for the mongoose. Oh, you saved my child, you killed the snake. So she was wailing there for the mongoose, but it was in vain because he was died and still lying there. She was touching the mongoose also, who was lay dead and still unaware of her sobbing. Sobbing means crying. So Mangu was died and he was not aware who is crying for him or not. So he was unaware of the fact that farmer's wife was crying for him. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily, hastily means in a hurry, and rashly, rashly means without thinking or consideration, stared long at the dead mongoose. Then she had heard the baby crying, means baby was now get up and he was crying, so she went there to see her baby. Wiping her tears, she went into the and to feed him. Wiping means to clean her tears. It is a story from the Panchtantra. So this was the story, and this gives a message for all of us that we should do any kind of act with uh, extra care. We should not do the act hastily and rashly, otherwise we can harm someone who is not guilty. So this is the message. Now let us see. These are the difficult words meaning which I have already told you: farmer, peasant, pet, tame animal, companion, friend, mongoose, a small carnivorous animal with a long body and long bushy tail, cradle, small low bed for a baby, rocked means moved to and fro, keep an eye, keep a watch, guard, ran into means met. Shopping means buying groceries, food items, customary, usual, screamed, cried, paws means an animal's foot having claws and pads, smeared means covered, wicked means evil, hysterically, madly, uncontrollably, blind with rage, very angry, turn, cut into pieces, bleeding, with blood flowing, in a flash at once, realized, understood, happened, occurred, still, with no movement, unaware, not knowing, sobbing means crying, hastily, rashly, wiping, removing, stared, looking at. Now, these are some of the questions which you have to answer. Why did the farmer bring a baby mongoose into the house? Why didn't the farmer's wife want to leave the baby alone with the mongoose? What was the farmer's comment on his wife's fears? Why did the farmer's wife strike the mongoose with her basket? Did she repent her hasty action? How does she show her repentance? So these are some of the questions, and I have given these questions answer in the next slide. You can see the farmer had, this is the answer of the first question. The farmer had a small son. He wanted to have a pet to give company to his child. So he brought home a baby mongoose to play with the child. Then the second question's answer is given. The farmer's wife didn't trust even her pet mongoose. She didn't want to leave her son with an animal. Then third question's answer is given there. The farmers understood why his wife was afraid of leaving the baby alone with the mongoose. Therefore, he tried to remove her fear. He said that the mongoose was a friendly animal, as sweet and gentle as their own baby. Then fourth question's answer is there. Then fifth is there. The farmer's wife returned home with a heavy basket. She noticed blood on the face and paws of the mongoose. She had no doubt that mongoose had killed her son. So in rage, she hit the animal with the basket full of groceries. The poor animal died on the spot. The farmer's wife saw the snake torn into pieces. Her own baby was safely asleep. She realized her mistake. She felt very sorry. She touched the mongoose and cried. She saw the painful result of her hasty actions. So these are the answers of these questions. You will write these answers in your notebooks and you will note down the difficult words meaning in your notebook. This is homework for you, and that's all for today. Have a nice day.